Is it another yellowfin?
Bonnie.
What's a bonnie?
Bonito. No, it's a yellowfin.
Ah, Neil. Well done, champ.
Well done, Nilo.
Where's he? Where's he? Hey, this is a beaut, bud.
Hey, well done, Nilo.
Yeah, there we go.
All right. Go get him, Neil.
What's the thing? Got epilepsy, needs one of my pills.
Oh, you want the hook remover?
It's small.
Are you going to throw him back?
Yeah, it's small.
Oh, unlucky, Neil.
Yeah, you can feel that.
Go get a photo. God,
You know, when you try back. No, it doesn't matter.
it's fine, man. Go get a photo. Well, that thing still survived, though, dude.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Oh, no, Scott Till.
Nice,
Nemo's
Nilo.
cousin. Hold him, Neil. Hold him. Okay, hold him. Look here, man. He's just having a little fit.